In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an engine torque strut mount on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located under the vehicle. After you raised and supported the vehicle, there's a belly pan that's underneath that needs to come off. It's held on by 9 10mm bolts. After you've raised and supported the vehicle, you have a series of nuts and bolts. Some of them are 16, some of them are 21. You want to start with these 16mm ones first. If the bolts start to spin, you can always put a 15mm wrench on top while you're taking the nut off. After you get your 4 16mm bolts and nuts out, now you want to take this 21mm off. Now your 21mm, you want to put a 21mm socket on the top to hold the bolt while you're trying to take the nut off on the bottom. And you have one more 16 off to the left. After you take those nuts and bolts out, you definitely want to support your transmission and your engine. You can use this bottle jack, or even a jack that you jack your car up with at home. Take your pry bar, try to push those bolts up through the holes. Want to grab your pry bar and pull up on that. Release it from the cradle. Set that bracket off to the side. Take your 21mm wrench on both sides. Crack it loose. Take your nut off. Just slide it out to the side. After removing the 21mm nut, that bolt won't come out because it's hitting the exhaust. So now you're going to have to take the front pipe on the exhaust down, which is 113 and 2 12s. After you take your 2 nuts off, pull that exhaust down, just kind of put it to the side a little bit, and there's your bolt. Then you take your mount, slide it right out the front, and there it is. Take your new mount, slide it up, the fork in, take your mount up top, And slide your bolts through. And put your bolt down. Make sure those bolts come through the holes. Put your 16mm nuts on. Your 2 back bolts that go through. Put those 2 16mm nuts on. Then you have your 21mm nut, the amount. Then you have your 21mm bolt with your nut. Put your last bolt through, put your last 16mm nut on, and let's get ready to torque these down. These 16mm bolts and nuts are 48 foot-pounds. Your 21 is 77 foot-pounds. And this 21 here is also 77 foot-pounds. After you're done torquing all your bolts, you want to take the bottle jack down, get it out of the way. And you can put your exhaust back up. Your 13mm bolt for your hanger. And your 12mm bolts for your front pipe. And now you're 13. Tighten these 2 front exhaust bolts to 18 foot-pounds. Your 13mm bolt for your mount to 14 foot-pounds. Now we can put our lower shield up. Your 9 10mm bolts. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.